Good day, Madam and Sir, and the rest of YouTube team. I am Randy Pelaez, the owner of Negros Vines Blog, and this is my channel URL. This video is appealing to your good office regarding the suspension of my monetization program on YouTube. The reviewers sent me a feedback of my channel for various content. If I got some mistake, I beg you for a chance. I will be showing you how do my YouTube videos and how conceptualize and upload with this channel. How now my most upload videos are short videos to show the world how and difficult to live here in our country with some remote area with the roads are not good, the story of life and poverty. We encounter the negligence of our leader in government. I wanted to know the world and YouTube community the status of living in the remote area here in Philippines now. To educate the masses to choose a better leader during election. As part of my appeal of these videos, I'll be showing you how to edit my video using Vivo 11 Pro and recording my videos and editing process. I use CapCut app to make a new project. Kababayan, here is my tools to create video. And this is the area where I edit my video. Thank you so much. God bless you, Madam and Sir, and the YouTube.